very good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. And first of all, a very happy World Environment Day to you and your family. So, on this occasion, myself Shruti, I am here to give a speech on our environment. So, here I begin. As we all know, environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of our life. Our whole life depends upon the environment. The daily needs of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depends upon the environment in which we live. All the human activities in this modern world directly impact to the ecosystem, and that is not good for, and we should not cut the trees for our unnecessary and useless things. Trees should be grown more and more and make our ecosystem green. The book or copy in which we read or write, it comes from the tree. The furniture like table, chair, almirah, etc. also obtained from the trees. And the most important thing for our survival, the oxygen that we breathe in, it also comes from the trees. And if we cut down the trees, from where the oxygen will come and how can we will survive? So please stop cutting trees. Trees should be not cut, and we should grow more and more and more and trees and make our ecosystem green. Now I am ending my speech by saying that stop cutting trees, and please don't waste the trees in our unnecessary things. So save trees, save life, save environment. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friend. First of all, very happy Environment Day to you and your family. The topic of my speech is the World Environment Day. We can also know environment is the surrounding in which we live. The environment is our life. The whole life is depend to the environment. The environment maintain the balance of human beings, plants and animals. The environment, we need food, water, shelter and other things we need from the environment around us. The sum of the environment problems are rapid rising air, water pollution and air pollution. So we can't cut the trees. The pen and copy are also made from the trees, and the furniture are also made from the trees like table, chairs, almirah. And the very important things, air. The trees give air. The trees inhale the carbon dioxide and give him to the oxygen and fresh air. So I request you to can't cut the trees, and thank you. I hope you like my speech. Thanks.
Hello, good evening to all and very happy World Environment Day. I am here to give a short speech on our environment. So I'll start. In everything in our surrounding called environment, like plants, animals, human beings, etc. The most important thing in our environment is ecosystem. Ecosystem is a system which formed by the interaction of all the living organisms to each other. So we have done to learn about environment and ecosystem. Now we will know about the advantage and disadvantage of plantation and disadvantage of deforestation. Advantage of plantation: plant reduce harmful gas like carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Plant gives very useful things like wood, fruit, vegetable, and many more things for household. Disadvantage of deforestation. Deforestation is very harmful for us and our upcoming generation. For our upcoming generation, many people cut the trees for their uses. Due to this, our environment polluted and spread harmful gases. So this is my short speech. Thank you, and very very happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning, dear principal sir, teachers, honorable judges, and my friends. My name is Arpita Mishra. Today I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day. The first World Environment Day is celebrated on 1974 in USA. The first year slogan is Only One Earth. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. People from 100 countries celebrated this day. The World Environment Day is run by the United Nations program since the year 1974. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day was to spread awareness. This awareness was this conversation of our environment. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. It is the only thing that can make life suitable on Earth. Without it, we cannot survive for one single. Our country is one of the global hosts of World Environment Day. As I have said, that anyone know what is the green economy? It is an economical development program where the environmental risks are going to be reduced. It consists of all the living beings in the earth which are mutually dependent on each other, but the pollution caused by human beings, it influences our health and also going to give a long-term effect on our future. Every living being is dependent on tree. Only the tree can make their food itself. But we people are dependent the forest very much.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my friends, first of all, happy Environmental Day. Myself is Abdul Basit and I read in class 7th. Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. 5th June order to create award amount pupil about the importance of nature. I request all of pupil safe environment. Thank you.
My name is Shruti and I am in class 7. My task is to soil a plant. My school's name is Indraprasth English Medium Higher Secondary School. The date of plantation is 5 June 2020. So let's start. I am planting a lychee. तो मैं अब ये गड्ढा खोद लूँगी. ये गड्ढा खोद लिया। तो अब मैं ये बीज इसमें डाल दूंगी। अब इस गड्ढे को वापस से भर दूंगी। अब पानी डाल।
Hello friends and teacher and happy Environment Day to my dear friends and teacher. This is my plant. The plant is a guava plant.
Happy Environment Day to my all teachers and my dear friends.
Abdul, what is name of plant?
My plant name is guava. Good morning, all of you. Myself.
Good morning, dear friends and my teachers. My name is Akshira Jode. I read in class 7. My teacher gave task to me, soiling of plant. My school name is Indraprasth English Medium School and the planting date is 6 June 2020. हाँ तो फ्रेंड्स देखिए, यहाँ मैं गड्ढा खोद रही हूँ। और यहाँ मेरा गड्ढा खुदा चुका है। तो अब मैं इसमें प्लांट को लगाऊंगी। ये मेरा, अब मैं इस गड्ढे को फिर से बंद कर दूंगी ताकि इसका जड़ नीचे तक चला जाए। हाँ तो फ्रेंड्स देखिए, अब मेरा प्लांट लग चुका है।
थोड़ा सा पानी डालना ना, ज़्यादा मत डालना।
अब मैं इसमें पानी डाल दे रही हूँ।
हो गया।